In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a paywall to Squarespace blog. We'll start right inside your Squarespace dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the website section and open Pages. This is where all your site's navigation lives, and it's the place you'll add your blog. In the Pages panel, click the plus icon to create something new. From the options that appear, choose Blog. Give your blog a clear, memorable name so visitors can recognize it in your navigation, and then add the page. You'll now see your new blog listed alongside your other pages on the left. Next, select the blog page you just created. In the blog settings area, look for the option that says Add a Pricing Plan. This is the gateway to your paywall. Click that, and then choose Create Pricing Plan. This will open a form where you'll define exactly what people get when they subscribe. Fill in the plan name with something straightforward like Premium Blog or Members Access. In the description, explain what's behind the paywall and why it's worth it. Use the benefits list to highlight specifics: early access to posts, exclusive articles, bonus resources, whatever matches your content. Then set your pricing. Pick a structure that aligns with the value you're offering and how frequently you plan to publish. Clear pricing helps visitors make quick, confident decisions. You'll also see an included products area. Make sure the right content types are listed here. If you followed these steps in order, videos will already be included, but double-check to confirm everything you intend to paywall is covered. When everything looks good, click Save. Squarespace will automatically create a paywall connected to that pricing plan. This means that when someone tries to access your premium content, they'll be prompted to purchase or sign in. From here, you can open the paywall design and customize how it looks. Adjust the headline, refine the messaging, and match the styling to your brand: colors, fonts, and imagery. Clear and consistent branding builds trust and improves conversions. That's all there is to it. You added a blog, created a pricing plan, and let Squarespace generate the paywall for you. As a final tip, read through your plan description and benefits from a visitor's perspective to ensure everything is easy to understand. A concise, value-focused message paired with a clean design can make a big difference in signups. Once you're happy with the setup, start publishing your content and let the paywall do the rest.